Across the country, only 27 states still allow the death penalty, and public support is at its lowest in 30 years. Once at 80%, it's now 53%. But the cost of the death penalty cases here continues to rise. When you add it up, it's hundreds of millions of dollars. But no one knows the true total cost. Some of our government agencies spending our taxpayer money claim they can't or won't provide information. I'm ABC 15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskobing, and this is the next chapter in our Seeking Death investigation. We teamed up with ProPublica to expose the secrecy in our death penalty cases. And the big question in this story, can there be accountability if there isn't a public accounting of what's going on? In our last story, we showed you the Maricopa County Attorney's Office's track record in death penalty cases. Only 13% of them actually end in a death sentence.
Well, you got a problem with your decision making. Something is wrong.
We also showed MCIO's process for selecting death cases is extremely secretive.
This is a complete black box, literally a black box.
MCIO's got a committee with secret members who take secret votes, who help the county attorneys decide who should live and die. It's a lot of secrecy for a process that rarely gets death verdicts, but has cost us hundreds of millions of dollars. Current County Attorney Rachel Mitchell declined to sit for an interview to discuss the level of accountability and transparency with MCIO's Capital Review Committee. And when we asked for a breakdown of MCIO's death penalty costs, Mitchell's chief of staff told us, quote, "Unlike a private law firm, we do not track cases by the hour, nor do we track case-by-case costs. If you would like to see budget information from 2004 to 2024, please submit a public records request." But we already submitted a public records request months ago, and MCIO told us we have no responsive records to provide. Is that pretty standard, that it's just no one really knows anywhere how much this is costing in total?
No, people know. They're just not telling.
Robin Mayer is director of the Death Penalty Information Center. She says the secrecy is a problem across the country.
I think the hidden costs are really intentional. The way to avoid the kind of scrutiny and criticism that many prosecutors will face when they seek death is to hide those costs.
So what costs do we know? ABC 15 and ProPublica requested records and information from the 5 main government agencies involved in death penalty cases. You already know what MCIO gave us. Nothing. Same with the courts. They claim they can't break it out of their budget. But the county public defense system was the most transparent by far. They gave us year-by-year numbers going back to 2007. The total, almost $289 million, and that's just at the trial level. That doesn't include appeals. Now, the county attorney's office handles appeals for the prosecution. They gave numbers going back to 2020. Their total, $17 million. And the federal defender's office also handles appeals, but they claim their costs are protected by attorney-client privilege. So add up what we do know. It's $305 million. But what's the true figure? Is it double? Is it more? Do you think there can be accountability if we don't even have a legitimate accounting of what they do?
No, I think that's exactly the point. The public, the voters need the information in order to understand what's truly happening.
Even people who truly understand the death penalty system were shocked by what we uncovered.
It's got to be in the millions, tens of millions of dollars.
We're about 300 million, 290.
I'm going to say $100 million.
It's 290.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, and that's
a lot of money.
That's just defense. I mean, it doesn't count appeals.
Is that just Maricopa County?
Just Maricopa County.
And that's just defense.
It's just defense.
And, remember that the prosecution is the one that is making the decision to seek death. Defenders are reacting to that decision-making process. And so, again, I think it's so very, very important for voters to understand what their elected officials are doing in their name.
We discovered MCIO has sought death a lot, at least 346 times in the past 20 years.
At the moment the prosecutor says he or she will seek death, the price tag goes up considerably.
When MCIO officially files to seek death, here's what has to happen. The size of the defense team jumps from 1 to 4. The defendant gets 2 specialized defense attorneys. They get a private investigator, and they get a mitigation specialist. The trial process also grows from 1 phase to 3. There's the normal trial. The jury decides guilt or innocence. Then an aggravation phase. The jury decides if there are factors that make the case eligible for death. And finally, there's a penalty trial. The jury decides life or death.
The scrutiny is going to expose them to criticism. It's going to force them to answer very hard questions from their voters about why they are spending this kind of money on a penalty that will take years before resulting in an execution.
So far, no MCIO death case started in the past 20 years has had an execution. And right now, there are dozens of inmates on Arizona's death row from cases in the 80s and 90s. Studies have also shown across the country it's more likely for death row inmates to die in prison or have their sentences overturned than it is for them to actually be executed. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.